Good afternoon, children. Hope you all had enjoyed your short summer vacation safely. Come on, let us recap numbers 1 to 20. Before that, let me start with thought for the day. Today's date is 15/6/2020. 15 is today's date, 6 is month, that is June month, 2020 is current year. Day, Monday. Thought for the day. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. The root of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Repeat once again with me. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Let us go on to the lesson now. Yes, already we have seen before the vacation numbers 1 to 20. Let us now recall all the things what all we have revised before the vacation. Now I will start today's class. I will start 1 to 10. That is comparing the numbers between before, how many, like that we will do it. Okay. Take your textbook. I hope all have bought your textbook. Take your textbook and open page number 1. Yes. Open page number 1. I will also do with you. You can also take your pencils and you can do with me. You can mark with me. Recall pre-number concept. A. Put a tick on the aeroplane flying above the cloud. Put a wrong on the aeroplane flying below the cloud. This is cloud. This is the aeroplane which is flying above. This is the aeroplane which is flying below. Yes, we will put now tick on the aeroplane which is flying above. See, like this, you take your pencils and put tick on the aeroplane which is flying above. And we will put wrong on the aeroplane which is flying below. I think all are writing with me, children. Okay, next. I will move on to the next. B. Who is before Fatima? Who is after Fatima? Who is before Fatima? Before means in front of. After means behind Fatima. M-I-K is Mike. Fatima is Fatima. Ajit is Ajit. Yes. Now, who is before Fatima? Ajit. We will write. Yes, you can take your pencils and write now. Ajit, Ajit. Yes, Ajit is before Fatima. Who is after Fatima? Mike. 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 Now you understood who is before Fatima? Ajit. He is Ajit. He is before Fatima. Who is after Fatima? Mike. He is after Fatima. Next, C. Put a tick on the tree that is near. Put a wrong on the tree that is far. Near means which is close to you. Far means which is away from you. Now we will put tick on the tree which is near to us. And we will put wrong on the tree which is away from us. Okay, next. D. Put a tick on the dog inside. Put a wrong on the dog which is outside. The dog which is inside the kennel, we have to put tick. The dog which is outside, we have to put wrong. Put tick on the dog which is inside. Put wrong on the dog which is outside, like me. Okay, next. Put a tick on the cat on the table. Put a wrong on the cat under the table. The cat which is eating fish is on the table. The cat which is drinking milk is under the table. Now we will put tick on the cat which is on the table. Then again we will put wrong on the cat which is under the table. F. Put a tick on the book at the top. Put a wrong on the book at the bottom. See, top means which is above. Bottom means which is below. We will put now tick on the book which is above, top, that is above. Then we will put wrong on the book which is on the bottom. Okay, I think you understood comparing the numbers. That is pre-number concept. Okay, now we will match. Now it is matching. A. Is there an ice cream for each child? We will see whether ice creams are there for each child. Match by drawing lines. Match by drawing lines. Match by drawing lines. Yes, like this. See, he is having one ice cream. Yes. Okay. She is having one ice cream. Yes. He is having one ice cream. Yes. She is having one ice cream. Yes. He is also having one ice cream. Yes. She is also having one ice cream. Now all are having ice cream. Yes. Now we will put tick on the yes. Okay. So all are having now ice cream. B. Is there a flower for each butterfly? We will see by putting lines. See. One flower, one butterfly. Yes. This flower also is going to this butterfly. This butterfly has one flower. This butterfly has one flower. This butterfly has one flower. No, this butterfly has no flowers. So we have to put no. Right, children? See, this butterfly has no flower now. So we are marking it as no. Now we will see which has more. Put a tick on the set which has more. This is one set and this is one set. A. See, this is one set. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. Which is more? 4 or 3? 4 is more, no? So, we have to put tick on the set which is more. See, like this. Okay. Same way, here, key 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here logs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 logs are bigger than 4. So we will put tick on this log, this set. Okay. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces are here. Here how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6. Here only 5 faces in this set. In this 6 ice creams are there. So we have to take this ice cream. Okay. Next. Second one. Put a wrong on the set which has less. A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, how many ducks, fish or 5? How many ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4 ducks. Which is less here? Yeah, ducks are less. So, we have to put wrong on the duck. Correct? No? Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces are there. And 1, 2, 3 caps are there. So, we have to put wrong on the cap set. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 brushes are there. Here, how many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 pencils are there. Which is less? Yeah, brushes are less. So, we are putting wrong on the brushes. We have seen which are more and which are less. Now we will start with the numbers and their number name. Number 1 to 9. This will be your homework, okay? Just I will explain. You have to do it as homework in your textbook. 1, O-N-E, 1. You have to write 1 in this box. And number name, O-N-E, number name on this box. See, 1 means it is we are showing one finger. They are showing one finger here. Next, 2 means 2 birds are there. They are showing 2 fingers. You have to write 2 here. Here also you have to write in number 2 and here number name 2. Same way 3 also. See how many kites? 1, 2, 3 kites. Here how many fingers? 1, 2, 3. Here you have to write 3 in numbers. Here you have to write the number names. Same way, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ships are there. Fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are there. Here you have to write number 4. Here also 4. Here number name 4. Okay. 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 ducks are there. Fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. So here you have to write, same way you have to write 5 in numbers and here number name. 5 in number name. 6, S-I-X, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 butterflies are there. You have to write 6 in numbers and here see fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers. So you have to write the number name. Okay. Okay, children. Next, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rats are there. 7 mice are there. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Here how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers. Same way you can also put your fingers and see. 7. You have to write numbers here. 7. Here number name. Next. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers. So 8. 8 you have to write here as numbers and number name 8 here. See how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. How many bananas are there? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bananas. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. Yeah, same way you have to write number 9 here and number name here. Okay. We have seen number 1 to 9. You have to write in your textbook number 1 to 9. Okay. Now 0. Z-E-R-O is 0. Two children on the swing. See, you can see 1 to 2 children on the swing. Yes. Gurdeep goes home. How many left? See, this boy is going to home. His name is Gurdeep. Who is sitting here? One girl is sitting. So we have to write what we have to write. Only one girl is sitting, right? We have to write 1 here. 1. Okay. Same way, Shama also goes away. Now there are no children. See, any children is there? No. Shama is also going out. There are 0 children on the swing. No one is there means we consider as 0. Write 0 now. 0 as number here and ZERO 0 in number name. Now we will see 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. See how many birds are here sitting on the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 birds. There are 9 birds on the tree. See, 9 birds are there on the tree. One more flies in. See, one is flying in. Now there are 10 birds. If the bird is going and sitting here, totally how many? 10 will be there. 9 and 1 more makes 10. 9 and 1 more makes 10. Yes, T-E-N is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many flowers? 10 flowers are there. In your fingers, you can also keep the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See how many fingers now? 10 fingers. Now we have seen numbers 1 to 10. Numbers 1 to 10. Exercise 1 we will do. Okay, children? See here, look at the picture and count. Here some pictures are there and down many pictures there. See, pencil means many pencils are there. Candle means many candles are there. Mango means many mangoes are there. Now we will count according to the picture. How many? What is this? Pencil. Yes. How many pencil are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pencils totally? 7 pencils are there. Now we will write 7 there. Okay. Yes, write 7 in that box. Next. How many chocolates? How many chocolates? B1 is how many chocolates? Where is the chocolate? Here. Yes. How many chocolate is there? Only 1. So we will write 1 here. Okay, in that box. Next. How many flowers? Where is the flower? Here. See. 1, 2 flowers. Yes, no? How many flowers? We will write 2 here. Then, how many candle? Where is the candle? Here. Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many candles? 5 candles. Yes. Now, how many parrot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parrot. How many parrots? 6 parrot. Yes. We will write 6 here. Okay. Next. How many mango? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many mangoes are there? Yes, 9 mangoes are there. We will write 9 here. Okay, next. How many? Duck. Where is the duck? Here, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ducks. We will write near the duck 8. Okay, now how many apple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many apples? Totally 10 apples. Yes, totally 10 apples. We are writing 10 here. Next, how many mice? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many mice? 4. Next, how many balloon? 1, 2, 3. How many balloon totally? Now it is 3. We will write 3 here. Totally, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All the numbers are here. You can see all the numbers here. Yes, totally all the numbers had come from 1 to 10. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. Before, after and between. We will see before, after and between. Before means in front. After means after, like behind. Between means between the in middle. Okay. Before in front of, after is behind and between is in middle. Okay, like that it is. Now we will see before, after and between. Use the number strip to find out. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So first we will write the numbers after. Seeing this number strip, we will write the number after. Okay. 2 is after what? 2 is after 1. So we will write 1. Next, 6 is after 5. 4 is after 3. Next, 8 is after 7. 8 is after 7. Yes. Next, 3 is after 3 is after 2. See? So write here 2. Next, 1 is after 0. So we have to write 0 here. Right? 0 here. Okay. Next, 9 is after 8. So we have to write 8. 9 is after 8. Okay. 7 is after 6. See here, 7 is after 6. Yes. Now we have learned the numbers after. Now we have learned numbers after. Now we have to see the numbers before. The numbers before. 7 is before what? 7 is before what we have to see. See, before means like this, no? In front of. 7 is before 8. So, 7 is before what? 8. Yes, again. 9 is before 10. 5 is before 6. 5 is before 6. Then 4 is before 5. 3 is before 4. 4. So write, sorry, 3 is before 4. 3 is in front of 4. Yeah. Next. 2 is before what? 3. 2 is before 3. 2 is before 3. Write 3 here. Okay. Next. 6 is before 7. 6 is before 7. So write 7 here. Okay. 1 is before, see 1 is before 2. So we have to write 2 here. So you understood how to write numbers after and before, right? Now we will pass on to fill in the box as shown. Fill in the black box as shown. See, you can do it as homework. One line I will do and one line you have to, like two examples I will do, two you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Yes, we will start doing now. Before number this is after number. First we will do before number. See, before 8 is what? 7. Yes. Before 8 is 7. Before 10 is what? 9. Yes. Before 10 is 9. Then again, we will pass on to this D and E. You have to do it as homework. Okay, children? D and E, you have to do it as homework. Now we will go to after number. After 6 is what? After 6 is 7. Next. After 3 is 4. After 3 is 4. Write it as 4. Next. After 9 is what? 10. Yes, you can write it down. See, D and E you have to write it as homework. Okay. Now between numbers 1, 2, 3. Between 1 and 3, what is there? 2. Yes, between 1 and 3, 2 is there. Now between 0 and 2, what is there? 1 will be there. Between 3 and 5, what will come? 4. Yes. Between 2 and 4, what will come? 3. Okay, children, you understood how to write between numbers? See, E sum, F, G, H, I, J will be your homework. Okay. Turn your page and we will do bigger and smaller, bigger and smaller. Count and write the number of balloons. Count and write the number of balloons. We will count how many are there in his hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many he is have? How many she is having? Her name is Lata. Yeah, Lata has how many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write as 7 now. Okay, right here as 7. How many balloons? 7 balloons. Yes. Now Karim. Karim has how many balloons? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons Karim has? Yes, he has 5 balloons. Who has who has more balloons now? Lata or Karim? Lata or Karim? 7 and Karim is having 5. Which is bigger? We say that 7 is bigger than 5. Right? 7 is bigger than 5. Bigger number always will be this arrow mark, like mouth will be bigger. As big will be, mouth will be bigger side. We say that 5 is smaller than 7. We write 5 is lesser than 7. See here, lesser means it will be in the sharp edge. Bigger number means it will be open. Okay. So 5 is less than 7. Karim is having less balloon than Lata. Yes, in the same way, we will do exercise 3. Count and write the number in each box. Like this box, we have to write the numbers. Then fill in greater or lesser in each circle. Okay. First, we will count the caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5. How many are there? 5. So, we will write it as 5 in this box. Now, how many are here? This all we can find in the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many are there? 4. So, now 5 is greater or 4 is greater here? Yes, obviously 5 is greater. 5 is greater. No. Now we will draw the greater symbol. Okay. Now we will draw greater symbol. See here 5 is greater, no? So we will draw like this. See the mouth which is big will be the side which is greater. 5 is greater and 4 is lesser. Okay. Now we will count in the same way this birds. Okay. Yes. Start counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many birds are there? 9 birds. So you write it as 9 here. Okay. How many muffins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 muffins are there. So I am writing as 7. 9 is greater or 7 or 7 is greater, children? Tell me. Yeah, of course 9 is greater. So we will put greater symbol towards 9 like this. Okay, the mouth which is open side will be greater. The mouth which has sharper side will be lesser. Okay, now use this picture to help you fill the correct sign. Okay, use this picture to help you fill the correct sign, greater or less in each box. Okay, see the way he is going is greater, right? The way he is climbing up is greater. 0 is lesser than 1, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will compare the numbers and put the signs. Okay. From this, we have to see which is greater and which is smaller. See 4 is greater or 7 is greater? Yes, of course, 7 is greater. So, I am writing like this. 6 is greater or 5 is greater? Of course, 6 is greater. So, I am writing like this. 9 is greater or 4 is greater? 9 is greater. Okay. Same way you also write in your book, textbook with me. I hope all you are writing with me only, right? Next, 10 is greater than 9. Correct? No? Tell me. 7 is greater than 4. So we have written the sign as this way. Write we have written the symbol in this way. 6 is greater than 5. So we have written as the sign as like this. Okay. Then again, the same way I will do you 4 sums. Okay. Other sums will be homework for you. Now you see 9 is 9 is greater than 1 minute children. Yeah. 9 is greater than 3. So I am putting greater symbol like this. Next, 4 is greater or 3 is greater? Of course, 4 is greater. So I am putting again the sign as this. Next, 8 is greater or 2 is greater? 8 is greater. So I am putting the sign like this. Next, 3 is greater or 10 is greater? 10 is greater. So I am putting the sign like this. So remaining these sums all will be your homework. In your textbook, take your textbook. After this class, you can sit and do your homework. Next, ring as given. Now we have to ring as given. See here, they have given some notes. According to that, we have to ring. Okay, we will ring. Ring means we have to put circle on it. Okay, ring as given. Ring as given. Ring all the numbers bigger than 2. 9 is bigger than 2? Yes, 9 is bigger than 2. So you ring it. Okay. Next, 4 is bigger than 2? Yes, of course. 1 is bigger than 2? No, 1 comes before 2. So it is not bigger. 8 is bigger than 2? Yes. 7 is bigger than 2? Yes. 0 is bigger than 2? No. Before 2 only 0 comes. So it is also not bigger. Ring all the numbers smaller than 7. Ring all the numbers which is smaller than 7. 4 is smaller than 7? Yes. 4 comes before 7. So it is smaller. 2 comes before 7. So it is also smaller. 5 comes before 7. So it is also small. 6 comes before 7. So it is also smaller number. 9 comes before 7. No, it is bigger number. 9 is bigger. 10 is also bigger because it will come after 7. Next, ring all the numbers bigger than 8. See, 4 is bigger than 8? No. So we will ring. So you can do it as homework now. This I have shown you as an example. No, now you do it as homework. This one, ring all the numbers bigger than 8. So you have to ring all the numbers which are bigger than 8. Here, ring all the numbers smaller than 5. Which all are smaller? You have to ring all the numbers which are smaller than 5. So today's session I will end with this. We have seen from 1 to 10 numbers which will be comparison of numbers we have seen, and again greater lesser we have seen, in between, after and before numbers we have seen. Just recall everything and we will see in the next session. Yes children, I will end this session. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.